Hi, I'm Leo the lion. I'm called the king of the jungle, but I live in a den where I rest and roar. My den is cool and shady, hidden among big rocks. It keeps me safe from the sun and rain when I'm not hunting.
Poof, I'm Danny the dog. I live in a kennel, my very own little house. It's made of wood and painted bright colors. I sleep there after guarding my home all day.
Hello there, I'm Ella the elephant. I live in the grasslands with my big family and tall trees. We make soft beds of grass under the open sky. The breeze keeps us cool while we nap and play together.
Hi friends, I'm Benny the bear. My home is a cave in the forest. It's dark and quiet, perfect for sleeping in winter. I fill it with leaves to make it warm and cozy.
Hello, I'm Fifi the fox. I live in a burrow underground. I dig it myself with my sharp paws. It has many tunnels, like secret hallways just for me.
I'm Slinky the snake. I live in a hole or under rocks where it's cool and dark. I slide inside quietly to stay safe from big animals. It's my secret hiding place in the forest.
Hi, Hoppity friends. I'm Ruby the rabbit. I live in a burrow, a cozy tunnel underground. I line it with soft grass and dry leaves. It's warm and snug for my little bunnies.
Tweet, tweet! I'm Bella the bird. I build my nest high in the tree. I use twigs, feathers, and bits of string to make it soft. My babies hatch there and stay safe above the ground.
Buzz! I'm Betty the bee. I live in a beehive where we make yummy honey. Our hive is made of wax that we build together. Each room holds honey or baby bees. Busy, busy bees.
Moo. I'm Kathy the cow. I live in a shed on the farm. The farmer keeps it clean and filled with hay. It's warm in winter and cool in summer, my comfy spot.
Hello from the desert. I'm Carl the camel. My home is the desert, full of sand and sun. I rest beside dunes where the wind whistles softly. The desert may look empty, but it's my perfect home.